Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your marriage date on Facebook. This is super easy to do. So if you're married and you want to add your relationship status on Facebook, set that you're married, you can set the date for that. So once you're on Facebook, click your profile on the upper left hand side. It's going to take you over to your profile. Go ahead and click on edit details on the intro, and you want to scroll down and find relationship. Now, if you haven't had your relationship added, you can add it in the same time while set the date. So just click on add a relationship status and you will be able to find the section called relationship. You click on add relationship status again and you can set this to, for example, married. It also works for engaged. So if you're married or you're engaged, you can go ahead and you can add that in. It's really up to you. And as you can see, they have more status right here that you can go ahead and you can set it. So for example, married, you click on married and you can say married since, set the year. For example, if let's say it's 2025, brand new, you can go ahead and set that and set the month. For example, it's from, I don't know, September, you set it, and let's say it's on the 1st of September. Yeah, so go ahead and set that, and then click and save right there. And of course, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and set your marriage date on Facebook.